and welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this incredible Egyptian beetle and also the cross of life. It's gonna be a simple molding and this will be the result. So it's a very nice Egyptian pharaonic necklace. So what you need to achieve that, it's very simple. You need some modeling clay, you need scissors, putty knife, you need black silicone or transparent silicone, doesn't matter really. You're gonna need gold glitter, you're gonna need glue, you're gonna need some sort of a lacquer, you're gonna need measuring spoons and other tools to mold and to create your shape. So first thing, I'm going to open the molding clay. I'm going to take just a small piece because I don't need it. This is a small mold that we're going to do. And I'm going to shape it, try to work the clay to have this shape. So I'm going to create with the I'm gonna try to use the screwdriver and try to create the cross of life here. So I'm gonna just shape it like this and try to make it as deep as possible and as equal as possible. So there's other tool you can use. I found this thing here. So it depends on the thickness that you want to give. So this will be your first mold, like this. And then you're gonna let it dry for 24 hours, I think it will be enough. And then you're gonna create your second shape, which is the Egyptian beetle, the Scarab Beetle. So same idea. So if I don't have enough, just take just a little more. Same idea here. Okay, so for the Scarab Beetle, we're gonna use some measuring spoon to create the shape of the body. So the beetle has three parts. There's the bottom part, the stomach part, and the head, and we have some 6 legs here, so that's what we're gonna try to reproduce here. So I chose the biggest spoon here. I'm just gonna mold the clay to create a nice circle shape. And a smaller spoon for the body part here, and then the head at the top. Like this. I'm gonna try to shape it until you're happy with the shape of your beetle. Okay, you can use your hand as well. Try to smooth every part. Although in this case doesn't matter because we're gonna glitter it, so any mistakes not gonna show, but if you want to paint it instead, it's better if everything is really smooth. So here you go, I have my body here, I'm happy with it. And then I'm gonna use this pick to make the legs. It's not necessary to be so deep because it's gonna be hard to unmold. So use any tool that you want. this, so you can reshape in case the legs just created something that you don't want here. And then the top legs, that. Flatten the beetle. There you go. I think it looks like a beetle, so we're gonna let it dry for 24 hours, and after we can put the silicone in. Okay, now that my mold has dried overnight, it's time to put the silicone. So I'm just gonna apply the silicone here, and it really doesn't matter if it goes outside because we're gonna cut it later on. Like that, and I'm just gonna press it down, make sure there's no bubble. And there we go. We also want to make sure there's enough, so it's strong for the costume. So we want a thick layer of silicone on top. There you go. And again, we're gonna let it dry for another 24 hours. And for the beetle, I really suggest we let it dry longer because the body of the beetle is really deep, so it needs to dry longer. So that's how we do it. So now it's time to unmold. Just have to go be careful. There you go. So the cross of life is done. So we just have to cut the edges. Unmold, just be very careful because we have these small legs. It's better not to pull it really hard, so we're just gonna lift it slowly, and then we're gonna have the result like that. So now, I know it doesn't look great like this, but now it's time that we cut the shape of the beetle. I'm gonna just cut the contour of the beetle. Okay, so now I finished to cut my beetle. It looks like that. So to put the glitter, I just put some glue here, and I'm just gonna put my glue all over in every hole. Make sure the glitter is gonna stick everywhere. So just to give you an example. And then I will make the end of the cross. Now I have to make the sides. So the process of life is done, and now I'm gonna do the beetle. I'm gonna let it dry and then put the lacquer on top. here at the end where I was holding it. There you go. And my beetle is done. I'm just gonna complete the end here, make sure there is no black part. Make sure it's all covered in glitter, and then I will let it dry and put it on my costume.